Okay, so this video is going to go through page 20. It's question 2, geological geometry 2, and sheet number 4. So as always, let's read the question. So the map shows ground contours at 5-meter intervals. The roadway rises at a rate of 110. As shown on the map, this road widens to accommodate a car park. So this area here now is a car park. So it's the first time we're seeing this. Point A is on the centre line of the proposed roadway and has an altitude of 45. So I've wrote in A is at 45. Use side slopes 1:1. For cutting, complete the earthworks necessary to accommodate the roadway. So things start to get a little bit harder now because we have a little car park introduced. But we're going to go through the different steps. So the first step is, as always, the road rises from 1 to 10. So first of all, it's 1:1 for cutting. Let's cut. It rises, for every 10 you walk, it rises 1. So if we measure over 100, call that X. That is at, so it's over 100, so it's at 55. So now we're going to figure out the cut cone because it rises, and the cut cone always goes at the low end of the road. So that's 45, that's 55, so the cone will be over here somewhere. Extend A out, extend B out. So we're ignoring the car park for the minute, just focus on everything else. It rises 10 meters. Our ratio is 1:1, so the radius of the cone will stay at 10. And we can join that back to the edge here. Your best fit tangent. Back to the edge. So that height now, that line is at 55. So we'll do the lower end of the road first. I'm going to step out every 5. So it goes from 55 and it goes out as far as 75. So 55. The differences in the contours are 5. And it's 1:1, so the gaps will be 5. So that's 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Draw lines parallel. I'm going to go 1 inside, maybe go 45, that's 55. So there's no need actually to go inside at this time. So we'll go 55 to there, 55. That's 60. 65, 70, and 75. So find your contours where it crosses. So if we start, so 75 is here, keep it nice and neat now, 75, 70, 65, 60, back to 65, that we look up here is 70, so back out to 70, we also have a 70 there, 65 here, 65 is also there, 60 comes across and touches it there just before the road. And that is our general curve at the bottom. So what we can do is we can start, keep your curve nice and neat, join the dots really lightly first. Once you are happy, then you can get your H pencil. So I'm just going to go through it in pen. Find the black one. So you get your H pencil, and now we need to improve the quality of these. So one continuous line. So that's the lower end of the road done. Same goes for the top end. So again, that's at 55. We're stepping up 5, and we go as far as 80. $60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Draw lines parallel. You're ignoring this car park for a moment, just focus on the flat part of the road. So that, as we said, is at 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, and 80. So we can start to mark off. So 80 is there. 80 is also there. 75, we look from here. 70, 65, 60, back to 65, and we'll stop there for a second. So we're going to draw your curve, join the dots. Join it in as far as there. And we'll keep it at that for the moment. Okay, so I'm going to do this video in different parts because it's quite long. and if it's all one video it won't upload to YouTube for me. So I'll stop this video here. That's the first part.